Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to simply enable app activity for Google Gemini AI tool in order to save your search history with AI. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Chrome. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Chrome. Having opened up your Chrome, next thing you need to do is to click on this plus sign from the top right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on search or type URL and enter google.com. Then click on search. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on this icon right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you click on Gemini. That's going to take you to your Google Gemini on the web. Next thing you want to do is to click on this three slider from the top. That's going to take you right here. Now, right here, you have your Google Gemini app activity off. What you need to do is to simply click on here. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on turn on. And once it has been on, it's as simple as that. You can go on and start using your Google Gemini AI app without losing the data of whatever you are saying in Google Gemini. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.